CCTV testing chamber. This is a device where we give approval for security cameras. For example, if you have a camera inside, like hotels, schools, hospitals, whatever is the place, this camera need to be approved by SIRA. Okay. To get an approval, we invented this device. This device is invented here locally in UAE to make the test easier for us. How we give this test? We have some requirement by SIRA. This camera should pass this requirement. If this camera get that requirement pass, this camera will have a certificate by us. So once you have the certificate, you can take this camera and put it anywhere in Dubai.